Most pharma companies think that drug approval is about the data. Well, it's not. It's about how you position that data to regulators. I've seen companies spend hundreds of millions of dollars and still fail. Not because the drug did not work, but because the approval strategy was wrong from day one. Let me show you a real case that changed how I think about the approvals. A mid-sized pharma was developing an oncology product. Positive phase 2 data, strong signal, investors excited. They planned a standard phase 3 study with a full approval pathway. Sounds reasonable, right? It wasn't. Because in parallel, competitors were already moving into phase 3 faster. So even if these companies succeeded, they would be late to market and lose commercial value. Now here is the key mistake. They treated regulatory as a submission function, not as a strategic lever. So we reframed one question. We asked, what is the fastest viable approval pathway given this current data? Not the cleanest, not the safest, the fastest viable. That led to 3 strategic changes. First, repositioning the indication from broader indication to high unmet medical need population. Second, switching submission pathway, enabling conditional approval pathway. And third, redesigning the upcoming phase 3 study, make it more targeted, smaller, and faster. Same drug, different approval strategy. Instead of a 6 to 8 year path to approval, they moved into a quicker market access with realistic path to full approval. That changes everything. Earlier revenue, stronger valuation, investor confidence. Regulatory didn't just support the strategy, it became the strategy. Here is the uncomfortable truth. Most companies ask, do we have enough data? However, the better question is, what approval pathway our data currently unlock? Because the same data set can lead to rejection, delayed approval, or accelerated access, depending how you use it. Here is what matters. Regulatory is not a submission checklist at the end. It is a value creation function at the beginning. And the companies that win are not the ones with the best drugs. They are the ones with the best approval strategy.